In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade multipliers on Deriv. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign into your account, and then from here, from your dashboard, you want to either click on options and go into option trading. It could be real or demo, or you could go to the home tab and click on the trade button next to options over here. Now, this is going to take you to Deriv's DTrader, which is their trading platform, the web platform, and to actually trade multipliers, you want to go to the top here where you can see there's a bunch of things, and one of them should be multipliers. So just click on that, and there we go. We have multiplier trading over here. Now on the right, you can see it says how to trade multipliers. You can go ahead and read this if you want to. They have like some short guides. And then from here, you can basically go either up or down. And of course, you can select your multiplier. They have a bunch of different ones. You can select your stake and then your risk management as well, where you can add stop losses or take profits, or you have this deal cancellation over here if you want to as well. Then of course, you can see your commissions and stop outs, and then you can hit the buy buttons over here, or of course the up or down one, whichever one you want, and that's how you can trade multipliers. Now of course, I'm just showing you how to do this. I am not a financial advisor. I just wanted to show you how to find them and how to basically find them on the platform and use these. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.